Wednesday. How are you all? Very good. Now let's go to our exercise. Now let's see the recap of ABCD. Okay, what is recap of ABCD? Have you all remember what we learned yesterday? We want to say the sounds of alphabets A, B, C, D. It's a phonetic sound. Now say what's the sound of A? A. Very good. What's the sound of B? B. What's the sound of C? K. What's the sound of D? D. Say A. A. B. B. C. K. D. D. Say again. A. A. B. B. C. K. D. D. This is a capital A and this is small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Say again, capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Say the sound of A, A. B, B. C, K. D, D. Now let's go to the next letter E. One standing line, second slipping line, third, fourth. This is capital E. Say again, capital E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Capital E. Small e. Put one slipping line and one upwards curve, downwards curve like this. Small e. One slipping line and take a round like this. Small e. 1, 2. Capital E and small e. And what's the sound of E? A. What's the sound of E? A. A க்கு வந்து ஆன்னு சொல்லுவோம், E க்கு வந்து ஆன்னு சொல்லணும். A. Egg. Elephant. Like this. Say again, what's the sound of E? A. What is the sound of E? A. Say some words. Egg. We see the sound of E. A. What is the sound of E? A. Let's see some words from E. E stands for egg. Say egg. Eagle. Eagle. Elephant. Elephant. Engine. Engine. Edge. Edge. Egg. Eagle. Elephant. Engine. Edge. Say once again. What is this? E. Capital E. Small e. What is the sound of E? A. What is the sound of E? A. Egg. Eagle. Elephant. Engine. Edge. Letter is F. F. One standing line, second slipping line, third slipping line. Capital F. What is this? Capital F. Say once again, capital F. And this is small f. What is this? Small f. Say once again, what is this? Small f. Now let's see how to write. Standing line, slipping line, slipping line. 1, 2, 3. First we want to put the standing line. After that slipping line, slipping line. F, capital F. Next, small f. 1 comes from here. 1, 2. Capital F and small f. Small f. Now let's see the sound of F. F. Say what is the sound of F? F. F. Say once again. F. What is the sound of F? F. F. Say once again. F. Now let's see some words. Fish. Flag. Frog. Fence. Fire. Say what is the sound of F? F. F stands for fish. Fish. Flag. Frog. Fence. Fire. Say once again. Fish. Flag. Frog. Fence. Fire. Say once again. Fish. Flag. Frog. Fence. Fire. What is this? Capital F. One standing line, slipping line, slipping line. F. Capital F. Small f. Capital F. Small f. And what is the sound of F? F. Very good. What is the sound of F? F. Say once again. F. Okay children, bye. Thank you. Hi children, now let's see some words from our e-book. From our e-book, now let's see some words of the alphabets. Okay students, say after me, okay? What is this? Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. A is for apple. What is this? Apple. What is this? Ant. What is this? Ant. What is this? Ant. Apple. Ant. Hanker. What is this? Hanker. Say again. Hanker. Album. Abacus. Axe. Say after me. Apple. Capital A, small a. And what is the sound of A? A. Say again. A. Apple. Ant. Hanker. Album. Abacus. Axe. Capital B. Small b. Say capital B, small b. B stands for, and what is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. Say again. B. Bird. B stands for bird. Butterfly. Boy. Bucket. Ball. Bubble. Boat. Bicycle. Balloon. Bench. Bug. Boot. Now say after me, okay? B stands for bird. Say again. Bird. Butterfly. Butterfly. Bucket. Ball. Boy. Bubble. Boat. boot, bug, bicycle, balloon, bench. C, capital C, small c. Say after me, capital C, small c. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of C? K. Camera, cap, coat, candy, cookie, can, corn, camel, cake, candle, cactus, curtain. Now say after me.
Camera, cap, cake, coat, candy, cookie, camel, can, corn, cactus, curtain.
Next word. Okay, next letter. Say, what is this? Very good. Capital D. What is this? Capital D. What is this? Small d. And what is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of D? D. Now see the words. What is this? Donkey. What is this? Donkey. And this is door. What is this? Door. And this is dicey. This is duck. What is this? Duck. What the man is doing? Dig. Dig. Dad. Who is this? Dad. And what is this? Dove. Now say after me.
Donkey, donkey, donkey. Duck, duck. Door, door. Daisy, daisy. Dig, dig. Dad, dad. Dove, dove.
Students, now we are going to learn a new rhymes. Have you remember the rhymes? My red balloon and brush your teeth? Very good. Recap in your home, okay? Now we will see the rhymes. Put your right hand in. Okay students, now we are going to learn our rhymes. Put your right hand in. See?
You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in and you shake it all about. You do the boogie woogie, you turn yourself around, and that's what it's all about.
Now say with me, okay? Now sing the song after me, okay? Friends, now let's see the recap of My Red Balloon and brush your teeth.
My red balloon flies up to the sky. I jumped up high to reach the sky, but I could not reach it. Why? My red reach the sky, but I could not reach it. Why? My red balloon flew up to the sky. Brush your teeth, give them all a treat. Brush up and down all around to keep them nice and neat. Brush them twice a day, in the morning and at night. Brush up and down all around to keep them nice and neat. Brush your teeth, give them all a treat. Brush up and down all around to keep them nice and neat. Brush them twice a day, in the morning and at night. Brush up and down all around to keep them nice and neat.
Hi, have you seen the rhymes? I hope you all enjoyed the videos. Thank you.